Hi guys, I'm Akriti. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing well and are keeping safe. So I've already reviewed some of the products that I have really liked throughout my pregnancy and during postpartum as well. So today I would like to review another product which has been doing wonders, and a lot of my friends have been asking me about how this particular product is performing for my baby, and I would give a really a big thumbs up to this product. And it's very important during the postpartum journey when you know what is right for your baby and what is not. And I had done a lot of research. I had seen mothers using these products, actually multiple type of products, and that's when I downsized to this particular product and I chose what's the best, although I'm still experimenting with a lot of products currently, but then it's fine, like it's a hit or miss kind of a thing. And I really wanted to share pieces of information that I think might prove great for your babies too, because I think they deserve the best. So during my pregnancy, I was looking for a lot of options for my baby when it came to the feeding bottles, because I really wanted to feed her from the bottle, give her an idea of the bottle from the very beginning itself, because I didn't want the problem of teaching her how to catch the bottle, hold the bottle, and the nipple confusion thing. I really wanted to avoid that. So that's the reason why I wanted to pick the right bottle for her, and that's when I came across this little product. I don't have the outer cover, I'm sorry guys, but this is the Philips Avent natural feeding bottle. So I have filled it up with a little bit of lukewarm water just to show you my experiment, and so that you know what I'm talking about. So that's the reason why I have filled up a little bit of water in this, that I'll tell you later. But yeah, this is the bottle that I had gotten from Amazon, and I got it in a set of 2 for my baby initially. And right now when she's going to hit 6 months plus, I will increase the bottle, although she does not use the bottle that much, but we need to change the bottle as suggested by the pediatrician, that we must change the bottle in 4 months. So yeah, that's the reason why I will change these bottles, and maybe I'll get the bigger ones for her in the same particular brand, Philips Avent natural feeding bottles, but that will be a little larger one. So I got these 2 bottles for her, plus I got extra nipples that was also available on Amazon. So I got these bottles plus extra nipples, and they have proven to be the best investment for me as a parent. I cannot vouch for this product enough, because these bottles have really done a very good job. Like initially when I was in the hospital, I was pumping because I could not feed her, because she was a little weak and she had problem latching, and even I did not have the idea of how to breastfeed exactly, like very properly. That's the reason why I had to pump some milk and then feed her. When I started feeding her from the bottle, I saw that she had to make an effort while she was sucking the milk, and it was not flowing naturally, because that's the most important point when you purchase a bottle, that the nipple should not have a hole from which the milk drips naturally on its own. It should be of the sort that the baby latches onto the nipple, and while he or she sucks, then only should the milk come out. Otherwise, if the baby wants to breathe or maybe does not want to swallow, then they will choke, and that's the time when these problems start happening, the choking and all of that. So I didn't want to have that at all. I really wanted to avoid these problems. So I had done my research, and I will show you what I am talking about. So when you hold the bottle, when you turn the milk upside down, it should not drop, like not even a single drop of milk should fall without the baby sucking it. It should just look at this. So no matter how long I hold on to this, it will not leak. So the bottle should not leak at all, because if the baby wants to breathe, or maybe does not want to swallow the milk at that point of time, it should just do its job. So yeah, see, there's no milk flowing. So that's the most important point when it comes to choosing a bottle. Plus, when you see the nipple of this Avent natural bottle, it mimics the mother's nipple. The dish, like they have done a fabulous job when it comes to the design. Plus, they have a very interesting thing here. So they have this dual valve, if you can see. I don't know if you can see, but they have this dual valve here which is designed. The purpose of this valve is to prevent the air, like the extra air, from entering into the baby when he is, swallowing the milk, because that's the reason why babies develop a lot of gas problems and colic. So this is the anti-colic system. This is the design that they're done, and the design is super baby friendly, if I may say, because they can really hold on to this design. Like, it's very easy for the baby. Like, my baby was able to hold like this with her tiny fist. So she was able to hold it, and she does not entirely hold the bottle, but yeah, the design is such that she can play with it, and the quality is fantastic. It's very easy to clean. I put my bottle into my sterilizer and it's squeaky clean. So these are some of the points because of which I chose this bottle, and there were many other bottles in the market which were made up of glass and other designs which mimics the mother's breastfeeding. But then as far as the bottle is concerned, I had tried multiple brands before, because I had my sister-in-law who used various other brands, and other cousins of mine who tried other brands, and nothing came close to this brand, and she enjoys drinking from this bottle. She did not have that much of a gastric problem. Yes, the baby has to make an effort, just like the baby has to make an effort to breastfeed, exactly like that the baby has to make an effort to swallow milk from this bottle, because the bottles that have the leakage, the baby does not have to make an effort, so the milk automatically starts flowing in the baby's mouth, and they avoid making an effort. When you later switch on to this bottle, the baby will have a real difficult time, because this requires effort, like serious effort, and that's the experiment that I've done with my baby as well. Because earlier I tried her with the other bottle which had this leakage problem, and it was very easy for her. She used to just swallow the milk and she used to sleep. But then when I changed that bottle just to see how this particular bottle worked, she really had to make an effort. So if you're a new mom who is preparing for her parenthood journey, or if you are a mother who is looking for a bottle for her baby which performs all of these things and does not cause a problem for the baby at all, I think you should definitely go for this brand. And this is the natural type bottle. This comes maybe in various prints and stuff, but I chose the clear white one. I will also provide the link to this bottle below. Also guys, this is a completely non-sponsored video. Philips is not paying me for this. If you like this video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you guys in my next vlog. Till then, bye bye, take care, and I love you all. Bye.